With fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer, you'll be impressed by a spectacular blend of technology, style, and refinement. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3-liter 6-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include rain-sensing wipers, front and rear reading lights, a trip computer, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated seats, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and leather upholstery. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.